In this video, you will know 5 such mysteries of history that have been tried for years to find the answer, but that mystery remains an unsolved riddle even today. Number 1. The ancient Indus Valley civilization of India was an evolving civilization. Harappa and Mohenjo-daro, 2 major cities of this civilization, were discovered in 1920. This civilization is believed to have started about 5,000 years ago. The people of this civilization were quite modern at that time. Seeing the remnants found from Harappa and Mohenjo-daro, it is known that the people of these cities had learned to live a better life. These people lived in houses of paved bricks. Large buildings and tall buildings were built in these cities. Covered drains were made to drain the dirty water of the houses, and large baths were made for the people to bathe. Now, a question that has puzzled historians for years is how this highly developed and gigantic civilization came to an end. More than 100 years have passed since the discovery of the Indus Valley civilization, but the reason for its destruction remains a historical puzzle even today. Number 2. Rongarongo script is an ancient language. Archaeologists have been trying to decode it for years but have still failed. If we are able to understand an ancient language, then it can tell us a lot about our ancient world and can reveal many mysteries of history. Rongarongo script was discovered on Easter Island in the late 19th century. This language has 120 symbols. No one knows what these symbols mean. There is no information about how and when this script would have come into existence. It is believed that the people of Easter Island used this language until 1860. But after this, knowledge of this language was lost. Now let me tell you the surprising thing. This Rongarongo script is very similar to the script of the Indus Valley civilization. Easter Island is 20,000 kilometers away from the Indus Valley. Surprisingly, languages born in 2 different places are so similar to each other. Number 3. Stonehenge are large stone rocks present in England. They were dug up and erected in a circular position. Stonehenge is estimated to have been built around 5,000 years ago. Accordingly, it is older than the Pyramid of Egypt. We have not yet been able to know for what purpose the ancient men had made it. Some historians believe that Stonehenge may have been made for an astronomical or moving purpose. Research suggests that by looking at the tools available to the people of that era, it seems that it would have taken hundreds of years to build it. Number 4. There is a monument in England called Shepherd's Monument. It was built around 1763. This monument has Nicholas Poussin's painting on it, and a 10-letter code is written just below the painting. More than 250 years have passed since this monument was built, but to date, no one could explain this code. It is said that the famous biologist Charles Darwin also tried to understand this code. If you have seen the Da Vinci Code movie, then you will know about Holy Grail. Many theorists believe that if we understand this code, it will take it to the location of the Holy Grail. Even after 2 centuries, it is still the most famous code in the world, which has not been solved. Number 5. There is the Nazca Desert, 50 kilometers away from Lima, the capital of the Peruvian country. This desert has very bizarre and huge lines in an area of 80 kilometers. These lines are called Nazca lines. These lines were formed 2,000 years ago. These lines have 800 straight lines and 300 geometric figures. Apart from this, There are 70 lines in which the figures of animals, birds, and humans were made. These figures are so large that they cannot be seen or understood standing from the ground. To see these shapes you have to look through the airplane. The archaeologist has spent years understanding the mystery of Nazca lines, but to date, no one has known the secret of them. There is a belief of the people that it is not the work of human beings, it is made by people who come from another planet. But if it has been created by humans, then it is surprising how people of that era would have made these figures without any modern technology. If you like this video of mine, then like and share this video and subscribe to our channel.